Replacing SWIFT with blockchain and token-based systems, the glimpse into the future of cross-border transactions. By Pooyan Ghamari, Swiss visionary. The global financial landscape has witnessed profound transformations over the past few years, primarily driven by digital innovations. One domain ripe for disruption is the traditional system of cross-border transactions, primarily managed by the Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication, SWIFT. SWIFT, while reliable, has been critiqued for its high costs and sometimes sluggish transaction times. Enter blockchain and token-based systems, which promise to revolutionize the way we approach cross-border money transfers. Understanding the current landscape, the SWIFT mechanism. SWIFT facilitates a vast majority of international transactions between banks. It works by sending payment orders, which must be settled by correspondent accounts that the institutions have with each other. The system is secure, but has inefficiencies. Transfers can take several days, and fees can be high due to multiple intermediaries. The blockchain alternative. Blockchain technology offers a decentralized ledger system. Instead of relying on a single, central authority or middleman, transactions are verified by a network of computers, or nodes. This system can increase transparency. Every transaction is recorded on a ledger visible to every party in the network. Enhance security. Transactions are encrypted and must be agreed upon before they are added to the blockchain. Reduce costs. By eliminating intermediaries, the costs associated with transactions can drop significantly. Speed up transactions. Cross-border transactions can be settled in minutes or seconds, not days. Token-based systems. Tokens can represent any asset or utility. In the context of international money transfers, stablecoins, tokens pegged to the value of fiat currencies, can be used to facilitate trade without the volatility associated with cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Utility tokens can be used to grant holders access to a particular network or service. Real-world applications. Ripple as a case study. Companies like Ripple are already implementing such solutions. Ripple uses its decentralized ledger to facilitate real-time cross-border money transfers at reduced costs. Its native token, XRP, can be used as a bridge currency to facilitate the trade. Challenges to overcome. Regulatory concerns, as token-based systems are still relatively new. A global regulatory framework is essential to ensure their widespread acceptance and legitimacy. Interoperability. Different blockchain systems need to interact seamlessly for widespread adoption. Scalability. As more users adopt blockchain systems, ensuring the technology can handle the increased load is crucial. The road ahead. Replacing SWIFT with a blockchain and token-based system is more than just a technological shift. It represents a profound change in how global finance operates. It promises a world where transactions are faster, cheaper, and more transparent. For the transition to be successful, collaboration between tech providers, financial institutions, regulators, and stakeholders is vital. But with visionaries across the globe pushing the boundaries of what's possible, it's not a matter of if but when this new era of cross-border transactions will emerge. The views and opinions expressed in this article are those of the author, Pooyan Ghamari, and do not necessarily reflect the official policy or position of any affiliated agencies or institutions.